Tutorial Tuesday, seeing triple, how to work around. So we know this is an existing issue. This is the workaround currently. The next version, this issue will be resolved. However, if this happens, go ahead and delete the images that are tripled, keep one, and choose update. Then go back to the date, scroll, choose edit entry, and you are going to re-add the two pictures that you want. Remember, the last image that you save will be the image that is viewed as your thumbnail. So choose wisely. Once you added that image, scroll back down to the bottom, choose update. If you have not chosen to stop ads, this is where the ad will play. Once again, for $4.99, you can remove all ads. We're going to go back over to the May 20th entry. Once you select that, you'll be able to see that the images have saved. Once again, this is just a temporary workaround. Happy journaling!